Hey guys, I'm Shawn Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. How you doing? Doing a great Billy Joel song today. It's called Laura. My good friend in the UK, Russell, hired me to do this one, so I'm really pumped and excited about doing this lesson for you guys. Let's take a listen to it. Isn't that neat? So Billy Joel is just one of my favorites. This is a live from Madison Square Garden version that we're doing here. And, you know, we know that Billy Joel has a lot of greatest hits that we just listen to over and over again, but there are a lot of Billy Joel songs that we don't listen to that aren't very well known that are also very good. He's so creative in these other songs. One of my favorites is James. Have you ever heard the song James? It's beautiful. This is another one that I like. It reminds me of the Beatles a lot. It kind of has a Strawberry Fields kind of vibe sometimes in it, but it's very good. And let's get to it, okay? So if you remember the website, you can download the sheets for this. I have many, many more Billy Joel songs. I've been doing this for 18 years, and there are a ton of Billy Joel song lessons on my site, as well as Elton John and many others. And I love adding this one. So let's get to it. We have A, E, A in the left hand, and we go to G. Okay, it's kind of modal sounding. So if we have the F sharp, and the A chord makes us think the key of A, makes us hear the key of A. Oh, then we go to flat 7 and then flat 6. Okay, so it's very kind of modal sounding. The right hand, I'm going to start on the E with a thumb and then a 2-finger on the A. Now I'm going to do something here a lot of people don't want to do or speak against it, and that's 5th finger, 5th finger. I think 5th finger is great. 5-5 is great. Sometimes. Chopin did it. Why can't we do it? So it just saves some problems sometimes. Some people will go to great lengths never to do thumb or 5th finger, but I think it's okay here. Fits the hand nicely. And then D, C sharp, B with 4, 3, 2. A, B, B, C, A. So that first measure. Second measure, we're on F, C, F. And then we go to a D for our 5 chord to go back to the 1. Right hand A, F natural, G, D, A again. Okay, and then this is going to be exactly the same we did at the beginning. Okay, so that major 1, flat 7, flat 6 is kind of interesting sounding. Let's do it one more time. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. We finished it on the website. Hope to see you there. It's $20 a month. You can cancel anytime. I'll talk to you later.